Hello, welcome to Radsystems. My name is Tuzik and I will take you through downloading and installing Radsystems Studio. Let's get started. First, visit Radsystems Studio's official website at radsystems.io. Click on the download button. You have to provide your email address. Ensure to go through our terms and service policy, and check the box. Click on this download button. After the download is complete, kindly double-click on the zip file. Once open, double-click on the executable file for extraction and installation. Read the following instructions and click Next. Click Next. Check Create Desktop icon checkbox if you like. Click Next. Note: Radsystems currently runs on the Windows operating system. Windows 7 or later versions are highly recommended. Click Next. In the next video, I will show you how to create a project with Radsystems Studio. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you.